Well, hello everyone and welcome to this step-by-step guide on GoHighLevel tutorial for beginners. GoHighLevel is a powerful all-in-one marketing and CRM platform built to simplify how agencies, freelancers, and small businesses manage their clients and campaigns. It combines essential tools like landing pages, email marketing, automation, appointment handling, and customer relationship management into one unified system, thus eliminating the need for juggling multiple platforms. This guide is designed to give you a clear and concise tour of GoHighLevel. We'll be exploring the platform's layout, main tools, and use cases so you can get more familiar with what's possible before diving into the details. Also, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for GoHighLevel. And now in order to begin, you're going to go ahead and click on the 14-day free trial where you have no obligations, no contract, and you can cancel at any time. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, once you do this, you will have your company name, full name, and email address, and of course, you'll need to put in your phone number in order to get to step 2. Now we're done with step 1, we'll be going over to step 2 where you have your trial details. You have the starter plan and the unlimited plan. You're going to choose the one you want and then put in your payment information. There are 3 boxes down here where you'll need to tick them on in order to proceed after filling your card information. Once you do this, you'll be taken to your GoHighLevel main dashboard. Great, now we're on our GoHighLevel dashboard and we're going to be taking you through what these different options mean. The first here on the left sidebar is the click here to switch. And this is a quick access button that allows you to switch between your agency view and any of your sub-accounts. Now, sub-accounts are individual businesses or clients that you manage. This is essential for moving between high-level management and specific client work. Now we also have the Summer of AI, and this is basically a limited time promotion design to encourage both new and existing members to experience their suite of AI powered tools, which is also called the AI Employee. With this, you can experience the voice with AI, reviews AI, content AI, conversation AI, funnel AI, and workflow assistant. Now, the Launchpad is a guided setup area for new sub-accounts. It provides a checklist of essential steps such as connecting domains, setting up the GMB or Google My Business account, and connecting social media to get your client account up and running quickly. Then you also have the agency dashboard. Now, this is the main landing page for your agency view. It provides a high-level overview of your agency's performance, including key performance indicators and data-connected integrations like Stripe. As you can see right here, you'll need to connect Stripe in order to have your view and all the information needed. Now, this is the prospecting tab. Now, this feature is to help you find and engage potential clients. It does include tools for lead generation, a database of potential businesses, and outreach campaigns. You can get started for free or upgrade at a price. Now here we have the sub-account tab, and this is one of the most critical sections for your agency owner. It's where you can view, manage, create, and delete all of the individual client account or sub-account that you have on the platform. It provides a list of all your clients and a way to access each of their individual dashboards. Now, snapshots are a pre-built template or blueprint for sub-account. They contain pre-configured funnels, workflows, and settings that you can use to quickly set up a new client account, saving you significant amount of time. As you can see, barbershop, bed and breakfast, bistro, bookkeeper, childcare, chiropractor, etc. So you don't need to do everything from scratch. Once you hover over it, you can see create sub-account, and if you want some more information, you can click on setup guide. Now, don't forget that if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for GoHighLevel. Now, this is reselling. The reselling tab is a section dedicated to GoHighLevel's white labeling and reselling features. It allows you to customize the platform's branding and resell it to your client under your own brand name. As you can see, you have your Workflow Pro Plan and Resell branded client portal app. You can see your price, GoHighLevel's price and your profit. This way you can earn while using GoHighLevel. This is one of the unique features of GoHighLevel among its competitors. What you can do is to basically have your GoHighLevel price, your price, and you're going to see your profit. Go ahead and see how you can explore this, and over time, as you get a hands-on feel, you can use this to earn some more income for your agency. Now we also have add-ons, and this is the current tab we're on. This area provides access to additional features and paid services that you can add to your agency plan, such as white label modeling app with Zap and white label Zap. You also have reputation management tools and advanced reporting tools as additional add-ons. Now, the affiliate portal is a section for managing your GoHighLevel affiliate account. If you refer others to the platform, you can track your referrals and earnings here. Now, when we go over to the bottom left corner, we have settings. And once we click on settings, it's going to take us through another set of options where we can click on it and have some options set to our preference. You have options on profile, company, team, billing, and more. And this basically helps you to go through your account settings and make the preference that suits your needs. For example, right here we have profile, and in your profile, you can put in your agency's image, get to view your information while you registered with GoHighLevel. Of course, here you can change your password by putting your current password and putting in a new password and confirming it. If you want to sign out of everywhere, you have the option to do that right away. Now, if you're working with a team and you'd like to manage it more, you can go over to the team tab and click on it. Here you can see the user type, agency owner. Now, if you're working with a team, you can click on add user right here by using this button. Click on add user, and here you're going to put in the user info, profile image, and all the necessary information. Now, when you have your team, you'd like to assign roles or permissions. Now, once you click on roles and permission, you're going to see a list of options where you can actually apply certain roles or permissions to the team members. For example, if you're talking about automation, you can come over to automation, click on it, and then authorize this user to have rights for automation, such as viewing and managing campaigns, view and manage workflows, or you can view and manage triggers. So basically, these are the different options that are available if you're working with a team to make things more seamless and improve your workflow. We'll encourage you to go into these settings to have more of a hands-on view on your GoHighLevel settings. And lastly, we have these options at the top right here. You have Ask AI, which obviously is an AI option integrated with GoHighLevel to help you out. You also have your channel log where you can view information based on the activity taking place on GoHighLevel right here in your account. You also have notifications, more help buttons, and of course, your profile icon where you have your email and first name. Then you also have the login as and sign out buttons right there. Now, we hope at this point you have a better understanding of the layout from this step-by-step guide of GoHighLevel for beginners. And if you've made the decision to go along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.